Wash your bok choy, and you're going to cut a little piece off at the end. You don't want to take the whole bottom part out because you want the bok choy to still be intact. And then you're going to quarter the bok choy just like so, or you can cut it in half depending on how big your bok choy is. You're going to heat your wok and add oil to it. Make sure your heat is on high. You're going to place the bok choy down like so. Make sure the leaves are not touching the middle of the wok because you don't want your leaves of the bok choy to burn. You want to get a nice char on it. Once you see a char, add water, and on high heat, you're going to let this steam for about a minute and then discard the water. Season your bok choy with some pepper and just a pinch of salt. And we're going to go ahead and add the garlic paste. I forgot to mention, don't add a lot of salt because the garlic paste and the oyster sauce already have salt. Add the oyster sauce. That's how much I'm putting, not a lot. And you're going to mix this until the bok choy is coated with the oyster sauce and the garlic paste. Once it's coated, you want to turn off your heat. And when your heat is off, add your sesame oil. You don't want to add your sesame oil when your heat is on because the sesame oil is going to burn. I just like to put a small drizzle of sesame oil and toss it, and that's it. Hope you enjoy it.